How's it going, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. I just want to show you some crazy stuff my buddy got me. It's just some bird food and a bird feeder right here, and a bell. You need another one of these because I've had so many birds come here, right? So I got, bird fever, I guess you could call it. He got me budgie food, black sunflowers, and a bell. Because I live right by a bunch of different types of trees, and there's owls at night you can hear, and there's always birds. I got a bird feeder cage there, and a bird feeder bell, and a plate. As you can see, there's birds, and one's got a sunflower in its mouth. And I'm gonna set up the bird food and put the bird food in the feeder, and it'll be nice. It'll be pretty cool to have all this set up. This bird feeder was $2, I think, at the dollar store, my friend said. It closes. Zips closed. The birds will like it, hopefully. And yeah, wow. It's got a little, piece here to make it so it's tight. It doesn't come off if it gets knocked over. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to set that up. So, I filled up the bird feeder. It's time to hang it up. Looks like it's already going to be a hit. There's already birds out there. Hang it up right here. Looks like it's a hit. The birds are already looking in the trees. There's a whole bunch of them way down there already coming, see? Wow. I got another one here. Bird feeder cage, a bell. Look, the birds are already coming. Let's close this because they're intimidated. Look. Wow, it's already trying to come. Let's close this because they're intimidated a bit. You can see a whole bunch of birds up there. See, they're already coming. Wow, no way. Already, instantly, as soon as I hung it up, one came on there. There's some down there. Here, we'll close this. There's already a bird right there in the ledge. It's going for the plate. There's two birds down there. There's 3, 4, 5. One up there. That's so cool. Already down there getting seeds. Well, they're going to hopefully go for that. They will. There's some bird seeds that come out at the bottom of it that sit on there on the saucer. So they'll be in there soon. I'm glad I could set that up and feed them. Thanks to my friend. He brought all that stuff over. All this too. It's all set up. Another bell that's going to get hung up soon. Awesome. I'll put some more stuff on YouTube of different types of birds that I've been feeding, and see, one's already trying. One's already on there. Definitely already got a seed. Another one back. Wow. Another one. Oh, they like it. It's more room for them to sit, right, to get them. Right, to get the seeds, so that's awesome. Let's see if any more come before I stop filming. There's a cool bird. It's gonna get a seed off the plate. I like the sounds they make. See, there goes one. There goes another one. Another one. All day and night. I hear them. Different types of birds. It's really awesome. That's so cool. See, look, there's already some up there. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. Another one back. Oh, they love that one. That's a hit for sure. There it is over there in the branch. Cool. Oh, look at that. That's neat. They love it. Cool.